how to recover your Gmail account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Gmail account password. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. I'll be guiding you throughout this video. All you have to do is watch this video till the end. So in order to fix it, first thing, open up your Google, and once you open up your application, in the top right corner click on your profile icon. Click on add another account, and now you'll be directed to the sign in page. So right on this page, enter in your email address that you want to recover your password for. Once you're done typing in your email address, click on next. Next page, you'll be asked to enter in the password associated with this particular account. Since you don't know your passwords, what you'll need to do is click on forgot password in the left hand side corner. If this current account is logged into any other device, you'll have some kind of security verification. You'll need to check the device that you're connected with this particular account, and then click on this particular number, and after that you'll be able to log in into your account. If you're unable to go on with this process, then you have the alternative as I don't have my phone. Click on it, and then you'll be asked to enter in a phone number or the recovery phone number. All you have to do is enter in the phone number, and after that the verification code will be sent. As soon as you receive a verification code, you'll be asked to enter in the verification code, and you'll be taken to the page where you'll be able to create a new password, and then you'll be able to recover your Gmail account. So that is the last alternative. In case if you are unable to do with this process, then you can contact the support team and then submit a report stating that you're unable to recover your Gmail account and providing a valid information so that they can look into your matter and you'll be able to recover your account. So that is how you can recover your Gmail account password if forgotten. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.